Selecting objects is pretty much fundamental to everything we do in a CAD system these days. Whether we're modifying drawings, editing them, changing pens, moving things between layers, transformations, for instance, moving things about, copying, rotating, it all boils down to being able to manipulate the objects that we pick. And so how do we pick these objects? Well, this is the key to it, really. So let's have a look at where Caddie can really score to give you that extra little bit of functionality that really can make a difference in terms of speed in your workflow. So let's start off by just taking what is pretty much every day for a lot of people when they draw. So selecting, just clicking down with nothing selected, clicking left and then moving to the right, whether up or down. We have a solid box that will just select everything inside of the rectangle we pick. If we do it from right to left, then we get a crossing box, so it'll take anything that we cross there. So that's, as I say, pretty much staple for using a CAD system. However, if we just explore our command line here, so this is what we've just done, we'll see that we have other options. So if we're wanting to select something like this staircase, which is a bit more tricky because there are a few different things in the way, overlapping and so on, what we can do is we can start our trace, but then just hit P on the keyboard, and now we go to a polygon trace. We can trace around here, be really quite specific of where we want to go, right click, option end, and we have just the objects that we need. So we can delete them, we can change the pen properties, so pen color varies, for instance. We could go on to object properties and change them to yellow, and so on and so forth. So it's very, very quick, very, very easy, and just that little bit of extra functionality that can save you multiple operations.